Hi folks, Susie Meadows here, and tonight I want to show you a couple alternative projects that I made out of this month's January Kisses and Hugs paper pumpkin. You know, it's the kit. When you get this kit, it's got everything in it to make your projects. And these are actually, they come in this nice, big, heavy-duty box full of all kinds of goodies. Well, these projects for this month are actually cute cards that fold out like this, but yet they fit. Oops, let me pop open the box. They actually fit in these envelopes so you can mail them. So I will put the link in the description below this video for Stampin' Up's video on how to put these together. And then, you know, there's instructions that tell you how to do that too. But tonight I want to show you the alternatives so that I created using this as the basis. Okay, so see, right here's the instructions. I knew they were around, but anyway, you know, the instructions, they show you great color instructions. So, okay, but we don't need those. But what we do need, pulling out the kit for this particular project, and I have, let me see, I think 5 others I'm going to show you, but this is the only one that I'm actually going to put together here on this video. So I'm just going to take my snips, and I'm just going to cut this off, and I want to make this a little more rounded, so I'm just going, there we go. Now I need a card. Okay, here we go. I've got a card base. I've already scored it. And this card's going to actually open like this. So this is going to go right here on the front. And I've got a piece of brushed metallic designer series paper. And I'm going to put that right there. Just going all the way across. What I'm doing, I'm dry fitting to see that it fits. It does. Now, you can use the glue dots that come in the kit, but I'm going to, just for this project, I am going to use my multi-purpose liquid glue. Those of you that craft with me know I love my green capped glue because it allows me a little bit of time to maneuver and make sure it's where I want it. Okay. I do, once again, doing a little bit of dry fitting here. Now, those of you that subscribe with me this month, you're going to get a little goodie in the mailbox. Besides this, you're going to get something from me that's got the supplies to make this card. Okay, which you already have this, so, you know, you'll have that you'll yourself. But now, using this Simply Marbleous designer series paper, this is fun in January and February. It's a fun free goodie that you can purchase. Actually, nope, you don't purchase. It's actually free. You, if you purchase $50 worth, you get choices of things. And with the punch pack, and I'm using the scalloped punch, we're going to make a heart with this and get this out of the way because we don't need that right now. But I've included this in your packet. So, okay, well, and then, so we're going to use that. And then you also have this pretty heart that I've die cut out. And that, just so you know, for other folks, so you know, it's from the gold and rose gold specialty paper. I just die cut that out with this Bouquet of Hope, Bouquet of Love hybrid embossing folder. And this one is a fun one. This is, it has 2 things that come together. It has an embossing folder, and here I've used it, but you can die cut at the same time. And this is what you get. So you get this pretty embossed, and then it also cuts out a heart at the same time if you want. Woo-hoo! But we're using the little dude from this, so, okay. So I think that's all the supplies. Yes, okay. So let's get a little more glue here. And I think I'm going to angle it like that. And this, I want to pop it up with some of the dimensionals that come in the kit. So we've got that. And I think we're going to put it right here. Okay, now my sentiment that I'm going to use is for you. And what is it? Is it gray granite or smoky slate? It's gray granite that comes in our kit. So I'm just going to stamp it right there in the corner. Lovely. And then also in the kit, we have these pretty adhesive back sequins. And with my take your pick tool, I think I want, let me see. I think I want something right here. And right, oh, I don't know. Pardon me. I was hoping I wouldn't be coughing, but you never know. I think I'll put one down here and I'll put one more. Okay. I think right there. So this is an alternative project, a really easy card, gang. And like I said, those of you that subscribe from me this month, you're going to get the card, the foil, the heart already punched out and die cut. So you can make this card if you want. But now I wanted to show you some of the other alternatives I made. So let me get these over here. Using that same punch I used in the same foil, actually all of those. This is just a little bit different. This one is for the solid heart, and here I did the scalloped from the metallic. And this paper, oh, what is it? It's that new, oh, I just lost what the name of it is. I've got it here though, so I want to tell you. Nope, that's not it. I'll put it in the description, gang, what it's called. It is called the Abstract Beauty Designer Series paper. I knew there was a name for it. So, but there we go. So that was one card. Now this is another card that I made mostly from the kit. This one is, I used one of the other hearts. Let me see. I think it's on the other end of it. Yep, I did. So I cut it off and used it. And then, you know, this is one of the pieces in the kit. And all I did, I just added a little bit of ribbon here. Now, on this one, I actually had cut the paper cardstock off. And so this actually pops open like that. So I just thought that was something a little different. And like I said, mostly from bits and pieces from the kit. So let's see what else we've got here. Okay. Here is one, once again, from the kit. This is that other part of the heart. And I actually ran this through an embossing folder. And that folder is the Stripes and Splatters 3D embossing folder. I really like that. This is the Splatters. Can you see that if I get up? Yeah, there. If I get it up close, you can see. And once again, I used the same things, the paper, the Simply Marbleous paper, and that metallic. Now, I decided to go with a little bit different for color. And I went with, once again, the Splatters, and with that scallop heart punch. And this is the die cut I showed you. But this paper is also some of the free in the celebration. And it's called, see, here's the celebration catalog. Now until the end of February, every $50 purchased, you get to pick things in here free. So this Simply Marbleous is what I've been using, mostly the pink. But the other, here we go, the hearts is the Daffodil Afternoon 12 by 12 paper. So that's something, that's a possibility if you're interested. Now, I wanted a different color, but I used that same folder packet. This time I used the Stripes, and I did that with Pool Party. And this is from the kit, and actually this is too. And you know me, how I like to tear up the envelopes. And let me see, when you pop open the envelope, here we go. I took the sides off, and this is what's on the inside. And so I used a strip of that, and that gave us our hugs and kisses, our X's and O's. So that was that one there. Now, What else? Oh, along with that, just so you guys know, there is an add-on kit. It's $10, and with this, you get, it's called Kisses and Hugs Mini Treat Boxes. And they are mini treats. This is the size. So you can see what size that is in my hand and next to a card. But once again, the X's and O's are really prevalent with that. So, gang, like I said, those of you that subscribe to me, you're going to be getting a packet that looks something like this in the mail. So you can put the alternative together and a couple little boxes. So now, gang, if anybody has any questions, this is how you can get a hold of me, craftingwithsusie.stampinup.net. That's how you can reach me. That's how you can find all my events. When we get to be back in person, I'll be at the Lebanon Library here in Central Indiana. But also you can find out where my Facebook, I do Monday night Facebook Lives and a little bit of anything. So, and if you got any questions, holler. If you do not have a demonstrator, I would love to help you out. So let me know. And oh, also I have one extra kit, gang, that is not opened. So if anybody is looking for a kit, I have one extra that is available at the normal price when they come. So, but there you go, gang. Here are my alternatives. So I hope you enjoyed these, and I will catch up with you later. Take care. Bye-bye.